Today we are going to solve this numerical. A person sitting on the seashore observes that 48 waves reaches the shore in 1 minute. If the wavelength of the waves is 10 meter, then find the velocity of the wave. So in the given data, the number of waves that reaches the shores are 48. And the time during which these 48 waves reaches the shores are 1 minute. The wavelength is given as 10 meters, so we are going to determine velocity of the wave, and velocity we know is equal to s divided by t, where s is the distance or displacement divided by time, and in the case of wave, s is equal to lambda, and we use the term time period in the case of waves. So the time period here is not given. We will determine frequency in these two terms. So 1 over t, the time period, is equal to frequency. Frequency f is the reciprocal of time period. So we will have velocity is equal to frequency times lambda, or frequency times wavelength. Now for calculating the frequency, frequency is equal to number of waves divided by time. So the number of waves is given as 48. We will divide them by time 1 minute, which is equal to 60 seconds. So 48 divided by 60 seconds is equal to 0.8 hertz. And now velocity is equal to frequency times wavelength. And frequency is, we have derived the value of frequency 0.8 hertz. And the wavelength is 10 meter, which is given in the numerical. So multiplying 0.8 with 10, we will get 8. So we will have the velocity of the wave is equal to 8 meters per second. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.